This brand is made in China for Tribest, and the HU1020 humidifier includes an LED night light. The night light will cycle through red, blue, and green colors or can be paused on one of the colors. The unit features 2 power settings, high and low, and a 360-degree rotating mist outlet. It has a half-gallon water tank for up to 10 hours of operation between fillings with a 100 square feet coverage area and includes an essential oils diffuser. The units can be purchased through their website or Amazon store, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.